Hey guys, today's video is on 5 best kettle electric temperature control. These kettles typically have features that let you choose and maintain a specific temperature. Best electric kettle with temperature control is usually equipped with a thermostat or a temperature sensor. This component monitors the water's temperature and activates the heating element as needed to reach and maintain the desired temperature. These kettles are versatile and useful for preparing hot beverages like tea and coffee, as well as for cooking tasks that require water at specific temperatures, such as preparing oatmeal or instant noodles. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a like and share and subscribe. Before I start reviewing, I'm placing a link on each product selection in the description of this video, so you can check out the latest pricing and availability for anyone you might be interested in. There's a good chance you've experienced an unresponsive or inexact touchscreen, whether it's on a kitchen appliance or your cell phone. A flurry of taps while you wait for the device to perform a seemingly simple task is frustrating. That's why we really appreciate the analog buttons on the Rhône Gooseneck kettle. They're easy to understand and easy to press, making this a great option for those who want simplicity and straightforward hot water. The temperature can be adjusted between 100 and 212 degrees. A downside to the manual buttons, however, is that you have to press them for every degree you want to change. For instance, if the kettle is set to 170 degrees, but you want the water to be 200 degrees, you have to press the button 30 times. While this is more frustrating than using a dial, we've never had an issue with it. If you primarily brew pour over coffee between 198 and 203 degrees, so you don't need to adjust the temperature too often or too drastically. We also consider this one of the easiest to use kettles because the display is so intuitive. You can unbox the kettle and understand all the features right away, unlike some kettles that require a glance at the instruction manual first. Brew your favorite tea or coffee just the way you like it with the Smart Kettle Luxe from Breville. The 5 pre-programmed temperature settings allow you to easily brew black, green, white, oolong tea and French press coffee. Not quite ready for tea time? The one-touch Keep Warm button keeps your water warm for 20 minutes and can be activated before, during, or on completion of the water heating cycle. Breville Smart Kettle Luxe is gorgeous and offers great functionality. This electric kettle is reliable, intuitive, and easy to pour. The only downside is that fingerprints are visible all over the entire kettle. The Smart Kettle Luxe also features a soft opening lid to gently release hot steam and prevent hot water splashback. Backed by a manufacturer's 2-year replacement, Smart Kettle Luxe knows the ideal temperature to bring out optimal taste and quality of your favorite tea or coffee. Breville Smart Kettle Luxe is one of our pricier picks, but if you're serious about preparing tea at an optimal temperature and want a kettle that's easy to use, looks nice on the counter, and is built to last, this just might be the one. The SAKI Baristan electric gooseneck kettle is the perfect companion for any coffee journey. Its thoughtful design and precise engineering make this kettle a must-have for any aspiring barista. With temperature accuracy, you can be sure to get the exact temperature you need to brew the perfect cup of coffee or tea. The ergonomic non-slip handle makes it easy to pour and control the flow rate of your beverage. Plus, a beautiful red light ring adds an elegant touch to your brewing experience. Gooseneck kettles like this one allow you to better control the water stream when making pour-over coffee. This model also lets you digitally program the water temperature to the exact degree for making any varietal of tea you wish. It keeps track of the current temp, target temp, and boasts a timer as well. Featuring a powerful 1200-watt heating element, this electric kettle heats the water quickly and precisely for optimal pour-over results. The gooseneck spout gives you maximum control over the amount of water and its flow rate, allowing you to make your favorite brews with ease. With a sleek and modern design, this kettle looks as great as it performs. We found the handle very comfortable with a silicone grip that sets it apart from others. We also like the safety features on this kettle, such as the red light indicating when it's on as well as vents on the side rather than on the lid, which helps prevent accidental steam burns. However, one thing we find with this kettle is that it doesn't have a window where you can check to see the status of boiling water or how much water is currently inside. Brew your favorite tea or coffee just the way you like it with the Smart Kettle Luxe from Breville. The 5 pre-programmed temperature settings allow you to easily brew black, green, white, oolong tea and French press coffee. Not quite ready for tea time? The one-touch keep warm button keeps your water warm for 20 minutes and can be activated before, during, or on completion of the water heating cycle. Breville Smart Kettle Luxe is gorgeous and offers great functionality. This electric kettle is reliable, intuitive, and easy to pour. The only downside is that fingerprints are visible all over the entire kettle. The Smart Kettle Luxe also features a soft opening lid to gently release hot steam and prevent hot water splashback. Backed by a manufacturer's 2-year replacement, Smart Kettle Luxe knows the ideal temperature to bring out optimal taste and quality of your favorite tea or coffee. Breville Smart Kettle Luxe is one of our pricier picks, but if you're serious about preparing tea at an optimal temperature and want a kettle that's easy to use, looks nice on the counter, and is built to last, this just might be the one. If you're more of a coffee than a tea drinker, this electric kettle is the one for you. The thin gooseneck pouring spout allows for precise pouring with a slow and steady flow, 2 important attributes when it comes to making pour-over coffee. In addition to its design, this kettle also controls the temperatures in 1-degree increments from 140 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. This can be very useful as different types of tea and coffee require different water temperatures for optimal extraction. On top of the tea, it will also keep water at your desired temperature for 30 minutes. This electric kettle heats up water pretty fast, but so do competitor models. There isn't much difference between them, so this won't be the deciding factor when it comes to choosing one over another. What makes OXO Brew stand out, among other models, is that it's quieter than most electric kettles. You can barely hear it when it's heating up water. You might think that this can also be a bad thing, as you might not hear when the water is ready, but that's not the case, as OXO Brew beeps when it has heated water to your desired temperature. Some consumers have reported that they noticed plastic-like smell or flavor in the water. However, most didn't, so perhaps those who did received faulty units, but nonetheless this is something we should warn you about. Temperature control is quite accurate. The variance is within couple degrees. You can adjust temperature in 1-degree increments, which is advantage over many other electric kettles, which only allow you to adjust temperature in 5 or 10-degree increments, or only allow you to use already preset options. Other features of this electric kettle include BPA-free borosilicate glass, 360-degree swivel base, non-slip handle that doesn't get hot, lid that opens slowly to prevent releasing too much steam, and perforated stainless steel filter that's removable for cleaning. Overall, this OXO kettle is a really great electric kettle for the money. Only concerning thing is that some consumers have reported plastic-like smell, flavor, and it's hard to predict how common this issue is.